Hey everybody, Steve here from the Pinball Room again. Thanks so much for joining us. This is more just kind of like an announcement. I got something fun and different I've been working on. I'm going to give you a teaser here at the end, just a few seconds of an upcoming video. I'm just putting the final kind of spit and polish on it, so it'll be coming out within the next week. So subscribe, follow, like, turn on your notifications, all that kind of good stuff, right? Make sure you catch it. But it's a little bit different. It's not about my homebrew project, which has really been, the core of my channel. That's the project I'm working on. I appreciate everybody who's been following along on that adventure. This is something that I think just for kind of just the pinball nut and all of us, I think you're going to get a kick out of it. It's heavily inspired by a videographer that I stumbled across a while back, and it's just this video by Kyle Nutt. He does amazing videography with a lot of 360 cameras, the Insta360 cameras. And anyway, I saw this video he did around pinball. It really inspired me. I've watched it so many times. I'm like, you know what? I wonder if I can make a video kind of like that. And you know what? My new favorite pinball machine of all time, Godzilla, would be like the perfect canvas for this thing. So anyway, I've been working on a little something. Might be dumb. It might not be worth it. I don't know. It was a fun thing for me to try out. I hope you like it. Just want to kind of give you a heads up. And if you're interested in that, then make sure you like, subscribe. It's going to be coming out in a week. I'll put the exact time that it's scheduled to go out here in this video. Like I said, I've got a little bit of spit and polish left on it. Once all that editing is done, we'll have a time. We'll get it scheduled. If you want to watch that, you can put it on your calendar and see. Anyway, that's it. Short and sweet. Just I'm excited about it. I want to kind of throw it out there and let you guys know something different is coming. And then after that, don't worry, right back to it. I've been working very hard on the cabinet artwork. I've been meeting with a good buddy of mine who's an artist to see if we can get some ideas for the actual playfield design of my own homebrew project as well. So lots more to come with that project. We got a lot to do between now and March. But yeah, I just want to let you know, if you're on Patreon, you're also going to get a little sneak peek of this thing. Thank you everybody who's been on Patreon supporting me, and everyone else who's just following along on YouTube as well. Really appreciate the support. For those of you who are at the highest level of Patreon subscribers, you've already received your t-shirt by now. Hope you like it. I just barely got my sample one in the mail. I think it turned out all right with the logo. Not bad. Anyway, so stickers, t-shirts, a little bit early access, another way we can chat. So if you're interested in that, feel free to hit up on Patreon. Otherwise, yeah, just sit tight, relax, and awesome new videos going to be coming your way free here in just a few days here, about a week or so. All right? Thanks so much, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.